No. You know, feel free to like also give the car like a few like good pulls. Like, you know, like don't hold back.
Oh, shit, like.
Oh, this is nice, bro. It's a little slow, but it's nice though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's not bad, bro. And I'm barely even pushing the car right now, guys. Like,
all right, you want to do a launch?
Huh? All right, you guys. So we here with my boy A-Man and his 3 Series right here. I'm pretty much gonna be driving his 330. I'm gonna be POVing it for you guys, so you guys can watch me drive it. I was telling them that it's gonna be probably way more comfortable in my car, cause you guys know every video I probably hit something, bro, and that thing sounded like it broke something in there. But make sure you guys also go check out the video that we recorded on his channel. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and jump into the car. I feel like I'm taking a driver's ed class right now.
Bro, like, what are you trying to... I drive like an old man?
No, I feel like...
Nah, I kind of do.
Because I'm over here fixing the mirrors. I'm over here... I feel like you're teaching me how to drive right now.
All right, so you that one's for the gas. Okay. That one's for the brake.
Let's go.
This is the most cameras I've ever had running on.
So quiet. Mine would have started farting by now.
This thing has some burbles, but it's not crazy. Is it warm? Yeah, it's warm.
It's warm.
Yeah, give it a little bit of beans.
You know what it is?
Be honest.
It's just like the build up is kind of slow. Like
that's what I said. It's you gotta use like.
It's like.
See, that's what I'm saying though. You got like when you drive this car, in my opinion, like the paddles are the best. Like you gotta drive it manual.
I can drive it in manual.
How do you feel like it compares to your 440?
Oh, no, it's different completely, bro.
All right, do you feel like it's slower? Obviously, less power, right? Like a stage, for those of you guys who don't know, like a stage 1 B46 probably has like, I don't know, like maybe 240 to the wheel. Like it's really not that fast.
What, this one?
Yeah. It's nothing crazy, but like, it doesn't feel bad though, right?
Well, it got a little kick to it. I ain't gonna lie. It got a little, when you go from second though, when you go to from second to third, it got a little kick to it.
You can't stay in the lower RPMs. It's just like, it's like,
nah, it's comfortable though.
Well, yeah, because you have super sport springs.
Yeah, this is so nice. Oh, I like it. Come on, bro. I be dodging, juking them things like my life depended on it, bro. When you go from second to third, and you got a stage 1 too, though. So like, you don't have it stage 2, not yet.
I want to go stage 2, but I'm looking for a nice high catted.
Dang.
High flow catted downpipe.
Yeah.
Not high catted, high flow catted. Because like, I don't want to go catless, bro. Oh, we got police.
The policia, not me, my friend. Me no want no problem. We out. Nah, it feels like, I mean, it's a different engine than mine, so like it sounds different, you know. And obviously I got a res delete on my car and downpipe.
Really like.
Yeah.
Your car is pretty modified.
Yeah. So like.
Not big turbo or anything, but like,
nah, yeah.
It's still pretty modified.
It's nice. I like it though. I would have this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would have this as a daily. Definitely. I'm driving this everywhere. All the time.
Whenever people ask me, I'm like, they're like, yo, like, should I get a 330? Should I get a 430? I'm like, listen, like,
oh, we got the burbles. I've been controlling it in my. You just gotta drop it in gear.
Yeah, try it.
Hey, you got the little baby burbles and a boo boo boo. That's good though.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
I think if you're coming out of like, you know, like a Civic or something like that, like you.
Nah, yeah, you would like it, bro. Like for us, cause you know you've had the 435, I had the 440. So for me to come to this one, it's gonna be too slow for me. But that's because you're making such a big jump, you know.
Yeah.
Like what I've done to mine compared to this, you know, you can't really compare it like that. But if you go from like a Civic or any other car, like if you don't go from something like what we've done, you'll be good with this, bro. This is like perfect.
Yeah, I agree. And also, if you want something that's like, this thing's obviously cheaper to maintain. You know, it's a cheaper car, so like it's cheaper to buy, it's cheaper to maintain, it's cheaper to insure. I think. I don't know about the insurance. Don't quote me on that.
Well, I like the red seats, bro. That, you know, I was looking for red seats when I first. I don't be paying attention. They be honking at me all day, every day, bro. I'm always getting honked at. What's it called? When I was looking to buy my 440, I was looking for red seats, but I could not find it, bro. Like I found them, but they weren't like in the best condition. Like the car wasn't how I wanted it. Yeah. And the one that I found, you know, it's the only thing that I didn't have that I wanted was the red seats. But It's alright.
Honestly, man, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I freaking love the red interior.
Nah, it's nice, bro.
Other things to make it nice, like all the carbon, and all that. Like, what do you think about the, like all the carbon?
Nah, it's fire, bro. I feel like I wanna, bro. When I be watching it, like doing these kind of things, it makes me wanna do it to my car too. Cause this, and now seeing it in person, it looks even nicer too.
Right.
So
honestly, man, like some of this stuff, like I wish you guys can see in person because, like,
yeah, it's so much different, bro. When you actually, and it feels nice too. This one right here, and you barely feel this one. Like the top, you don't really even touch that, really. POV in the 330,000. Nah, I like it though. I think you enjoy it too if it was a little louder, but I understand though, you know.
All right, so I'm gonna say this. I'm not gonna put this in my video. I'll say it for Sticks video. I got some muffler mods coming for this.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
you're doing a little
louder,
a little louder, so that way you can kind of like, you know, like
it feel a little more.
Ooh! Yo, this is a little, it got a little kick to it. I ain't gonna lie. It got a little kick to it, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Yo, people be sleeping on it. It got a little kick to it. I like it. It's good, bro. It's good. Don't let people tell you otherwise, but it's good. This one doesn't waste a lot of gas like that.
All right, so this car, like, I've taken it on a road trip.
Oh! Oh! This is nice! Yo! It's nice though. I like, bro.
Yeah, see?
Y'all probably think I'm lying. I like this thing, bro.
This is the first time I'm in the passenger seat of this car.
Ew.
Like, someone's like driving it like that.
Yeah, I'm mad happy. What the heck? I don't even, bro. It's like I drive my car every day, but I don't know. Something. It's just so. This one's so comfortable.
Yeah.
Like it's so good, bro.
Honestly, man, it's also nice to like just be able to like push a car.
Yeah.
To, like, its limits. You know what I mean? Like with the 435, bro, I couldn't like. I like press on the gas and it's like, all right, I'm breaking the law already.
Yeah.
It's nice because it's like you can kind of like push it a little bit.
Yeah.
You're right. I think if this car was louder, bro, it'd be so much more fun.
Oh, this is nice, bro. It's a little slow, but it's nice though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's not bad, bro. And I'm barely even pushing the car right now, guys. Like,
all right, you want to do a launch?
Launch it? All right, we're gonna find.
All right, you know how to launch this thing, right?
Yeah.
Same thing as your car.
Yeah.
Do it. Let's go.
Woo! We outside.
It's a little slow. It's
just the pickup. You know what it is? Like it feels like it wants to go fast, but it's just I don't know. It doesn't. It's not going. You know what I mean?
You're asking about the gas, bro. I get like 36 miles per gallon.
What?
36 miles, but like mind you, like I don't keep it in stage one. I have the multi-map. I switch it to stock, and then when I want to have a little more fun, like stage one. So like I think as like if you guys are just gonna drive a car to work, to school, or whatever it is, and you just want it to be a little quick, perfect. If you want to go racing, don't get this.
You get this you drive this when you're in high school. Oh, you balling.
Bro, you
balling if you're driving this when you're in high school.
People message me like, yo, I'm 17, like I want to get a 435, but like, you know, I might just get a 428 because it's too expensive. Bro, like you're already winning.
All day. Oh my God, bro.
Civic, a 1.8 liter, bro, 0 to 60 in 10 seconds.
Bro, I had a minivan, bro, in high school. And I used to park it like by a church because I didn't want nobody to see me pulling up in that.
Yo, that's funny, man.
Yeah, a white minivan, bro.
I mean, my Civic was white, but you know, it's all good.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm just that's my opinion, guys. It sounds like kind of.
I like it, bro. I will have this right now.
Yeah,
that's a daily.
Like a cool daily car.
Yeah, and what you've done to it too is like, it looks nice. Like,
yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying. Now, I'm not flexing on myself, but I'm just saying, like, this car, I kept on saying I want to keep it clean, classy.
And yeah, you're doing a good job with that.
You're
doing a good job with that. Yeah, definitely.
Like, you guys, the steering wheel we gotta change. I know. People are listening.
Yeah, I wasn't even gonna bring it up no more. It does feel different. Like
it's lame. Yeah, it's bad. It's so skinny and it's like it feels like an old man.
Yeah, I don't. Why they do that? Why they made this so big?
I don't know, man.
It's a BMW thing though. It's not your fault. It's like why they made this so huge, you know?
It's not my fault, guys.
It's nice though, cause you've done the cluster. You did, it's not. But what you did to it makes it like.
It feels nice.
Worth it, definitely. Like
it. Look good in here, bro. I ain't
gonna lie. I like it. I like it. I need a comfortable car, bro. Cause my thing.
Bro, that's what I love. And like again, guys, like legit, I got a baby seat back there. Like I literally take my child to daycare in this car. Like so, it's nice to have a car.
Yeah.
Comfortable, smooth, quick, but not too crazy loud. And listen, when we get that new M car. we going crazy.
Also too, you know what it is, like when you lower the car feels faster too, because you know, yeah, because now, because if you have like the stock suspension and stuff like that, when you push it, like the front lifts and it's slower, so that makes the car feel slower. Once you lower it, it'll feel a lot faster too. So
I agree.
All right, you guys, well, with that being said, guys, we are done driving the 330,000. I appreciate my boy A-Man right here. Make sure you guys go down below and check him out, man. We did a video on his channel, so if you guys want to see more of me, go see him. You feel me? But yeah, man, I had a lot of fun, bro. I appreciate you letting me drive this.
Anytime, bro. You pay me for the gas though, right? Cause
yo, you get 36 miles to get you good. I get like 18 a mile.
We only burned like maybe 1/8 of a gallon.